Hi there and welcome to my brand new online space Begin with Billy, where I'm going to take you step by step through the basics of watercolour and drawing. Together we're going to build your confidence, explore techniques and most of all enjoy the process of watercolour painting. Each lesson is designed to be easily followed, relaxed and inspiring. Whether you've never picked up a brush before or dabbled and really would like to learn more, I'll show you how to make your watercolours achievable and rewarding. On the website you'll find all the things you need to know to get started. There'll be lots of little fun techniques to learn and how to get used to your brushes and your materials. So there'll be lots of things that just prepare you for the journey ahead. And soon you'll be feeling confident and painting pictures that you're really proud of. Here we keep things relaxed and playful, enjoying the discovery of colour and new techniques. So if you've ever thought, I wish I could paint, now is your chance to start. Join me and start your watercolour journey.